Republican Party has been an exceptional institution in American life. It was the party of Abraham Lincoln. It was the party of Theodore Roosevelt. And now this grand old party is out there doing the limbo and causing mystified Americans to look at their antics and wonder, to the old limbo question, how low can you go?
Now, Republicans talk about death panels and taxes and raise people's fears. They push a few hot buttons. They bring out abortion. They come to the Senate floor and wave the flag. They talk about liberty, the free market, proclaim themselves the protectors of American values, and then they play the fear card and denounce government as the problem. They call any attempt at health care reform government intervention. They call it socialism. They rise to object, obfuscate, and delay, and call it patriotism. They huddle with health insurers against hardworking Americans who pay higher and higher premiums and then get denied coverage, and call it defending free enterprise. Let's be clear. The Republicans simply don't want health care reform.
Now, Republicans lately have styled themselves as defenders of Medicare. Their claims would be hilarious if they weren't so dangerous. But in defending the status quo, Republicans are risking letting Medicare go bankrupt. That shouldn't come as any surprise, considering they opposed the program's creation, have tried to kill it ever since. And so when you ask the American people, who do you trust to protect Medicare? Sure as heck, it isn't the Republicans.
The truth is, our friends on the other side of the aisle think that the business of government is business. We think the business of government is people, and we will not stand down from that fight. The fight for people's jobs, their lives, their hopes, their health, and well-being of their families in the face of insurers who are minimizing their risk by denying coverage when people need it the most. What insurers are doing is not what I think of when I think of American values or free market values. It is greed, and in my humble view, that's sinful. This is historic legislation, just as Social Security, Medicare, the Civil Rights Act, the Clean Air and Clean Water Act were historic. And Republicans then were on the wrong side of history. And once again, Republicans are on the wrong side of history. However many times they object, delay, and obfuscate will not change that fact. They will still be on the wrong side of history, as they have been so many times before.